MIT App Inventor. If you saw my previous video, I have just started what is AI App Inventor, and I have done one project. It was a tutorial project, but today we are going to do a project. That day I have done a tutorial, but this is a project. Okay, so the name of this app is question asking app. Okay, so first we have to click on AI that was written, and here it is asking what is your name. I will write my channel's name, Take by Me. Then I have to press enter.
Take by me, okay.
It said take by me, okay. You can see. And what is your age? So here it is asking what is your age. I am not writing my real age. I am writing 6. It cannot be 617. I am writing 12. For example.
12, okay.
12, okay. It said 12, okay. And here it is asking how are you? Fine. I am fine. So here
Fantastic.
it said fantastic. Okay. So this is how our app will work. And if I will click not fine, then it will ask why are you sad. We can write anything. We can write the reason. For example, I have not eaten food. I just written it for example. This is not actual. We now press enter.
Oh, very sorry to hear Tati have not eaten food.
Okay. So you have listened. He said very sorry to hear that you have not eaten food. Okay, so this is our app. So let's learn how to make this app. So let's go to our computer screen. So this is our computer screen. So you can see this is MIT App Inventor. Now first what you have to do, you have seen that it was an icon of AI where was written AI. So first we will upload that icon. So here is media, we will upload a file, choose file, and then we will take that file. I have hidden my files due to security, you know now. And then you can see this file. You can see this image is here. So we will set it as background image. No, not as background image. We will set it icon. So we'll take this and then we will add that picture. Here is that picture. We will add this. You can see here is picture that, and then we'll do one more setting. Align horizontal. We will set it center and this also center. Now you can see, and if you want a background of this also, you can add. So here is background. We can set anything. I am setting none, but we can set its background as black. Now it is looking beautiful, because other apps when start it shows their logo. So this is our logo. And this is screen 1 will do its coding, but before doing that we need to add a screen. Add screen will add a screen. We'll name it screen 2. Here I will change it screen. Okay, then screen 2. It is adding. Wait some seconds. Okay, now you can see it added. So now we'll do the coding of screen 1. Screen 1, then we'll delete this block, and when image 1 click do, and then we'll go to control and then open another screen name 2. Here is screen 1, we'll change it to screen 2. Now the coding of screen 1 is done. We'll design the screen 2. Here is designer. We go to designer and you can see. So here is screen 2. What we had done in this, we had asked that what is your name. So for asking that we will take a text box. Here is text box, and first we will change it to screen 2 here, and here we will align horizontally, set it to center, and now we will write what is your, and add a question mark. So you can see here this is, and one more setting, we will set it to read only. And now we have to do one more setting, text alignment center, and font size equals to 40, not 40, it will be very big. We will set it to 25, and now you can see it is not coming properly, so we will change its width. We will set its width to 150. It is now also not coming properly. We set it to 225. Now it is coming properly. Now what you have to do here, here was a text box in which we had to enter our name. So here, what is your name? So then we will take one more text box. Here you have to write what is your name, and here hint we will write answer. Hint is answer, and here you can add text color, but I am not adding because it will be more better black. Black will be more better. And font size equals to, we'll set it to 20. Then we will add a button known as enter. It was enter, not known as, there was written enter, so we are doing this. After it will change to another screen. And we will set its color. We can set any color. I will set cyan, and I will change it to 20 font, not 20, 25. Okay. Now we'll add a button, go to home. And here we will set its color orange. Okay, then we'll set its text as 25. We'll set it color 25. So after this we'll go to blocks and do the coding. I will do some changes in this. I will do some changes in this that you have seen in the first of the video, beginning of the video. I will do some changes in that. So we'll rename it so that it will be easier to do the coding. Version and text box 2 equals to answer. Okay. And then button 1 equals to enter. And then button 2 equals to go to home. We will rename it as home. We will not write the word go to home. And then we will do the coding. When question got focus, then we will add one more thing in designer. We will go to media and take text to speech. Okay, then text to speech. Text to speech called text to speech message. Message. It is in text. I will take this block, and then we will write here what is your name. It was not as that I have shown in the beginning. This is the thing, and like this the changes are. And what is your name here, and we will do another coding. If we will go to enter, when enter click, then we will go to text, not text. You have to find that block. I am finding. So you have to go to text and take this block join. Here what is your name, when enter click, call text to speech message join. We will take your text to speech, call text to speech message join. And then here we will go to answer and take answer.text. Not this. We'll take answer.text. Yes, you can see this. And then what we will do? We will go to text and take one more. This. And here we will write OK. And then how you have to do this? Here is the settings option. We will click this and string. We will take here and add here this. How many you have to join? You will go to settings and add these. And if you don't want many, you can delete this. I am deleting. I only want awesome. And then add screen 3. It is adding, it will take some time. Okay, you can see. And then we'll again go to screen 2. And then we will go to control and take a block, open another screen name screen 1. We'll change it to screen 3, and now there is no need for this, so I am deleting. One is only 2. Open another, then open another, and then the work of screen 2 is also done. We'll go to screen 3. So screen 3 I am going to do in the next video. Till then, bye.